Little baby dent. That's horrible. Holy shit. God damn. It was quick. Look at this wheel, bro. Holy shit.
No se ve tan mal el pedo, güey.
No.
It doesn't look too bad.
Oh, there you go. He'll buff out.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, it needs to be tired.
Oh, well.
I mean, there's no anyway. Yeah. Oh, cool it. It's pissing.
Go back.
Hey,
Just roll it back. Just roll that bitch back. Just go back. Fuck it. Oh, here come the cops.
Thanks for the help, officer. This motherfucker's parked right here.
Oh, it's because both his rears are flat. All of them are flat.
All four?
All four are flat.
What the fuck? How? Turn it off. Yeah, turn it off. We have no more fluid.
Oh, you cracked this bitch too, bro.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah.
Where?
Right here.
The wheel?
Oh, shit. Yeah, you're all flat, bro. No wonder.
Oh, front.
Yeah, your front is fucked. Oh, this is what you hit. That's what spun you forward. Quick backstory on this. Dude just bought it. Oh, there it goes. It's over. Dude just bought it yesterday. That dude over there in the white t-shirt. Crazy. Come around this. Smack some shit over there. Look like he smacked a little island. So, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what this dude in the Mustang did. He took out all this shit. So as you can see, he lost it. Hit that shit. Ran up on here. Ran up all over this. Lost some shit over here. Lost some shit over there. Wild. Little baby LS. VVTI. Shit crazy. He go crazy though. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean. A truck, big ass truck, another truck. You don't see this every day.